Are you thinking about transitioning to a plant-based vegan diet but don't know where to start? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things I wish I knew before I went vegan so that you can skip the mistakes that I made and get on with enjoying vibrant health. Let's get to the list. Number 1, the nutrients our bodies need are found in whole plant foods. For the longest time, I didn't know what the best sources of nutrients were, which foods I should eat more of. Our bodies need 5 essential nutrients to function properly: fiber, protein, carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins and minerals. All of these nutrients are available in a variety of whole foods. Highest in fiber are fresh fruits: oranges, apples, melons, bananas, peaches, berries. What's your favorite fruit? It's got fiber. Proteins are abundant in dark leafy vegetables like kale or spinach. You can also find them in high quantities in sprouted seeds or legumes. Carbohydrates, which your body turns into fuel, are found in things like sweet potatoes, winter squash, and all the fruits. Fats in small quantities are also essential and comes from things like nuts, avocado, olives, and coconut. Vitamins and minerals are most available from raw, uncooked foods, which means that you don't have to take many supplements if you're eating foods that look like the rainbow every single day. The second thing I wish I knew before going vegan is that vegan doesn't mean healthy. When I became vegan, I was constantly looking for that vegan stamp on packaged foods at the grocery store. I didn't understand that the term vegan simply means without animal products, and that it isn't the same as full of nutrients. There are so many vegan products with preservatives, dyes, and flavorings, none of which give the body any benefit or healing. As I started realizing that foods labeled as vegan weren't necessarily healthy, I started to cut down on buying foods that were processed or sold in packages. The extra bonus was that I saved money because I wasn't buying these expensive, trending vegan foods. Number 3, making vegan food can seem complicated, but it's actually quite simple. When I transitioned to being vegan, I'd look at food blogs and recipe books to see what others were making and get inspiration. There were so many times that I felt defeated because I didn't know how to prepare a certain vegetable, or my recipe turned out looking weird. While there are infinite possibilities for plant-based cuisine, don't feel like you have to become a star chef overnight. Like any skill, preparing whole plant meals takes time and practice. Making the same few recipes and tweaking it a little bit each time helped me to get confident with making some delicious dishes so that later on I could get more experimental. The 4th thing I wish I knew before going vegan is that changing your lifestyle takes planning and diligence. When I first became vegan, I had my share of cravings and backsliding into old habits. I found that it was easiest to grab an unhealthy or non-vegan snack when I was unprepared and didn't have a plan for my meals that day. Something I still do to this day is plan out my meals each week so that I have a clear idea of what I'll be eating and what I'll need to buy at the store. Sticking to my grocery list has been super helpful too because it helps me not to get distracted by foods that aren't for me. The 5th thing I wish I knew is that community support is gold. We all need community support, especially when we start doing something different that we've never done before. Encouraging voices help to keep us on track and remind us that we're not alone. If you're blessed to have other plant-based people in your household, then your transition is likely going to be pretty easy. But if you live alone or with others who eat animal products, then it can be sometimes hard or demotivating to practice new habits. If you're transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle and you're looking for some positive encouragement, I invite you to come and join my Raw Reformation Community Facebook group by clicking the link in the description. By joining the group, you'll get updates on my latest recipes and have access to free resources for plant-based healing and wellness. I hope to see you there. As always, thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get updates of when new videos come out. Bye for now.